Okay, so this is a quick video on some eBay stuff that I got. There's a pair of brake pads for the front and rear Kawasaki Ninja 250R 2008 to 2012, and a battery that I ordered from the same company. These ones are the Bolar BP057HH. So this for the front and the rear. So I think they're the same. The caliper is the same. So I'm gonna open them real quick. Show them to you. So they actually look like the EBC brakes, like the original ones that the motorcycles come with. So we got copper and then the brake pad itself. I think they're pretty similar. I haven't taken the ones that I have on the bike yet, but I'm gonna show them later on to compare them. So this is the front, and basically these ones are the rear. And the battery that I ordered, it's a 90 max battery. This is serial number. Comes with the bolt for terminal. It's model YTX7A-BS 12-volt 6-amp battery. It's I think it's a gel battery because it doesn't have the top to remove it, so it doesn't have any how do you say it, acid on it. So yeah, it's got these to save some money, and probably gonna resell the bike and then make a little bit of profit. And I mean, as long as you save some money on buying parts, that's a good thing. So you don't have to overspend too much money on getting parts for a bike. Sometimes you go buy them new ones, they're a little bit cheaper than buying used parts. So I recommend doing that, and look on eBay and search for the best things you can find for the motorcycle. Also, you can read reviews and see if they're good products. I mean, still they're Chinese, but sometimes OEM products, used ones, they're very pricey. So you might as well give them a shot and buy them, and then test them for yourself, and then you can see what the outcome is on those type of products. So thanks for watching, and this is the video, and then I'm gonna probably do some other videos of motorcycle stuff, and then I'm installing the parts and some other bikes that I'm gonna be working on. So thanks.